Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Ring account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to delete your Ring account, so open up your app on your phone, and then from here, once you open it, click on the three horizontal bars on the top left hand corner. Then you want to head down to account and then click into Control Center. And now from here, once it loads, you want to scroll down, all the way down until you see help, and then you want to contact customer support, because at this time of recording there's no actual way to delete your account through the settings. You got to contact customer support, and then they'll be able to delete your account for you. So go on ahead and click on customer contact support again here. And now if we scroll down, we want to click on, so there's a few different ways to do this. So you can chat with us now and just say, hey, I would like to delete my account, or give them a call, and they're open 24/7, and say you'd like to delete your account. So that's only a couple of ways you can delete your account.